Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the intricate world of fashion and home textiles, exploring the delicate balance between style and sustainability. Two most important things to take care when you're dealing with products in export-import industry. I am your host Lokesh Parashar and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you to learn how we can go hand in hand with style and sustainability. Let me share a story with you first. Upon receiving a request from my client based in the US to utilize recycled fabric for their promotional handbag, I was taken aback. Because traditionally, exhibitors or booth owners or showroom companies tend to lean towards cost-effective, synthetic, fiber-based raw materials when distributing free complimentary tote bags at the trade shows. And the same has been happening with my customer as well for the last 5 years. But this time, this sparked a moment of reflection on me. The intersection of style and sustainability in fashion and home textile is more vital than ever. Maybe that is the reason that my client is asking for recycled fabric instead of a plastic one or a non-woven, prompting me to delve deeper into the topic and share my insights with you today. It is very important to understand how these small incidents actually give you a focus on the industry. Given the breadth of this subject, I will be dissecting various facets of this topic across multiple articles. And this is part 1 of the article. Well, my dear friends, indeed the textile industry is the labyrinth of creativity and consumption. Most importantly, because it is dealing with the use of fabrics, driving trends and personal expressions. But beneath the surface lies a sobering reality as well, which is rampant production, resource depletion, and environmental degradation. Fashion and home textile goods are the fundamental components of our daily routine, daily consumption, choice of spending, epitomizing individual styles and coziness. Yet the relentless churn of trends and consumer appetites in these sectors frequently extracts a hefty toll on our environment. Do you agree with me? Now, based on this, from the resource-intensive manufacturing methods to the disposal of textile waste, the fashion and textile industries bear considerable burden on pollution, resource scarcity, and social inequalities. These are very important topics to understand, and I'm sure you will watch the full video because they might also impact your business when you're dealing with home textiles or fashion. Let's unpack this further. Fashion and home textiles mirror our lifestyles and beliefs that we all agree. Yet the rapid trend cycles often extract environmental toll. This piece endeavors to unravel the intricate interplay between the sustainability and trends in both realms, scrutinizing initiatives and tactics geared towards harmonizing the innovation on one side and environmental stewardship. How can we keep our climate, how can we keep our Mother Earth safe? Let's hear it from one title to another title. The first one would be Navigating Sustainability in Fashion. In navigating sustainability in fashion, businesses are adopting for various reasons. They want to enhance their reputation, they are going to meet their stakeholder demands, explore new markets, and also gain a competitive edge because they want to stay different. I came across an interesting survey done by a consumer behavior focused data company, and when I saw the results, I was actually very surprised. And when I shared this with my friends, they were equally surprised. This agency was hired by a leading global brand to study the change in choices made by their committed customer base, which have been buying product from them for a long time. They revealed a surprising trend. Consumers favor products with a lower carbon footprint, even if it means paying more for such products. This brand has been selling very well, and their design team, they were surprised. This spurred the designers to launch a highly successful eco-conscious clothing line, boosting the brand's not only value but also profits. Fashion designers confront the task of balancing style with sustainability, essential for consumers who see clothing as a status symbol. And this is, you will notice when you are actually walking in the retail stores, and you will notice all the signs. Therefore, businesses must refine marketing to promote sustainable options. Fashion designers anywhere in the world, they juggle style and sustainability. Very crucial in the world craving for change. Now, one more important thing which I have also noticed is today fashion and home textiles rank among the planet's biggest polluter. Yes, do not be surprised. Because of the water-intensive processes, carbon emissions, the toll is undeniable. But amidst the chaos begins the hope that emerges. Here is another success story which I have been discussing with my friends. Meet Eva, a visionary designer weaving sustainability into every stitch. Her boutique isn't just a heaven for fashion, it's a testament to the power of conscious creation. Yes, I'm talking about a boutique store in the heart of bustling New York City. Amidst the fashion world glitz and glamour stood Eva's boutique. More than a trendy garment hub, it was a beacon of sustainability in a very particular industry marked by environmental harm. But that didn't stop Eva. Eva witnessed firsthand the ecological toll of conventional textile production, fueling her determination to make a difference. And friends, don't be surprised because she was passionate. She channeled her passion into crafting eco-friendly fashion pieces sourced from recycled and upcycled materials, and that got a lot of designers inspired. Her commitment extended to revolutionizing the home textile industry, also collaborating with local artisans to create luxurious, sustainable throws and cushions. Guess what? And I'm sure you'll not be surprised. As news of Eva's efforts spread, her boutique became a heaven for eco-conscious consumers nationwide, celebrating a new era of fashion and home decor side by side that harmonized the innovation with planetary respect, which means respecting our Mother Earth. In Eva's corner of the world, a resounding message echoed across the industry. Because news spread very fast nowadays, the beauty and sustainability intertwine, empowering every purchase to a shape of green future. Let's discuss the phenomena of shunning the plastic. Yes, my dear friends. A sustainable shift, plastic and polyesters have been dominating the fashion and home textile industry. But a seismic shift is underway. Yes, you might agree with me. Fashion and home textile companies are prioritizing sustainability by ditching plastic which is not disposable, and especially the polyester based fabrics which does not dissolve for years and decades. Instead, they are opting for eco-friendly material like organic cotton, recycled fabrics, and other plant-based alternatives. Similarly, sustainable home textiles, the designers and the companies are favoring primarily organic cotton, hemp, bamboo, and linen for their lower environmental impact, thereby increasing the carbon footprint. Recycling polyester helps reduce waste and demand for new materials. Now, both these industries are also innovating in the dyeing processes, how the fabrics are finished or the product is finished, and also making sure to manufacturing, how to cut on water used in the manufacturing, chemical pollutants, and energy consumptions. Embracing these changes promotes environmental responsibility at one point and a more sustainable future on the other side. Now let's hear another story, which is a success story of Maya. And we have taken these stories from a real world which is happening now. In the vibrant heart of Los Angeles, a quiet revolution unfolded in the textile industry, driven by the shared commitment to environmental stewardships. Yes, leading this charge was Green Threads, founded by eco-conscious trailblazer designer Maya. Drawing inspirations from the LA's diverse communities, Maya and her team crafted a line of apparel as well as home textile products that not only blended style with sustainability, but they were really affordable as well. By opting for organic cotton or recycled fibers or mix of other material and plant-based alternatives over plastic and polyester, the brand Green Threads became synonymous with eco-friendliness in the community. As this success spread, other LA fashion and home textile companies joined the movement, embracing sustainable materials and practices of manufacturing. Together, they paved a way towards a green future where style and sustainability harmonize to create a better world. In Los Angeles, Green Threads proved that success and environmental responsibilities can go hand in hand, setting an inspiring example for industries worldwide. You must have heard of the circular economy and waste reduction. That is one more thing which we are going to discuss today. But sustainability goes beyond materials. It is a mindset. Shifting to a circular economy model is vital for reducing waste and optimizing resource use in the fashion and home textile industries. This entails designing products for longevity and promoting the 3R approach: repair, reuse, and recycling. In fashion, initiatives like clothing rental, resale platforms, and upcycling workshops extend product life cycles and cut textile waste. Similarly, home textile companies are adopting take-back programs, surprisingly, and closed loop recycling systems to minimize discarded materials. These are pretty new in the market, but this is going to be the future. And we have seen this as another example. In the heart of London, a city renowned for its rich history and cutting edge innovation, a silent revolution unfolded in the fashion and home textile sector, driven by a shared commitment to sustainability. Visionary leaders and innovative companies embrace a circular economy model, turning waste into opportunity. Similarly, Eco Home Essentials and others embrace this circular principle, implementing take-back programs and closed-loop recycling. London emerged as a global sustainability hub, showcasing how success and sustainability can coexist, leading to a brighter, greener future. Today in London and beyond, pioneers like Sustainable Styles are redefining waste as opportunity, ushering in a circular economy revolution. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I know it's been long, but it's an important topic. If you found the video valuable, please consider liking, sharing in your business network on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or Instagram, and subscribing to my channel for additional insightful content. Also, please share your thoughts. Very important for us to know what did you feel about the content. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. If you need to email, there is also a calendar link in the comment section for you to use. Thank you for tuning in, and until our next update, stay stylish and stay green.